Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to link your Mastercard to Zelle. If you've ever wanted to send or receive money quickly using Zelle but weren't sure how to connect your card, you're in the right place. Zelle is a popular app that lets you transfer money directly from your bank account, and linking a Mastercard, typically a debit card issued by your bank, can make transactions super smooth. But remember, Zelle works best with eligible debit cards, so double-check if your Mastercard qualifies. First things first, make sure you have the Zelle app downloaded on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your app store, search for Zelle, and install it. Once that's done, open the app and sign in with your existing account or create a new one if you're just starting out. Now, let's get to the fun part, the steps. Step 1. After logging in, navigate to the Settings or Profile section. Look for an option that says Add a bank account or Link a card. Tap on that. Step 2. You'll be prompted to enter your card details. This includes your Mastercard number, expiration date, and the security code on the back. Make sure to have your card handy. Step 3. Zelle might ask you to verify your card through your bank's website or by receiving a small test deposit. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm everything. One important tip. Not all cards work with Zelle, especially if it's a credit card. Mastercard is often associated with credit, but for Zelle, it needs to be a debit card linked to your checking account. If you run into issues, contact your bank to ensure compatibility. Once linked, you're all set. You can now send money to friends and family instantly. It's that simple and secure. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.